Skelly.
Yes. Minda's first time to use a drill. This should be interesting.
Okay, so I just like hold it and go?
Yeah, just don't squeeze it the whole way. Have control.
Well, you can't really have control.
That's what she said.
It didn't do anything.
You have to hold it still, honey, and then you apply some pressure.
Okay. Oh God. Okay, now it won't come out.
That's because it's in there. Keep going.
Keep going?
Have you broken through yet?
I hate that you're filming this. Like it, I mean,
Keep going.
it won't go anymore.
Alright, go backwards. Flip the switch. And back it out.